latest technologies in trucks and how they help enhance your experience on the road. Technology is revolutionizing the trucking industry, and today's trucks are equipped with bells and whistles that make hauling cargo more accessible than ever. From aerodynamic cabs to advanced engine control systems, various features available on different types of trucks can help increase fuel efficiency, reduce maintenance costs, and provide a smoother ride for drivers. Here are some innovative technologies that you can find in the different types of trucks on the road today. Heavy-duty trucks are now equipped with computerized engine control systems that help optimize fuel economy and reduce emissions. The computer system monitors engine temperature, speed, tire pressure, and other parameters to ensure maximum efficiency. These advanced systems also enable drivers to customize their driving experience by choosing the best route and setting up cruise control. Highway maintenance and refrigerator trucks are also equipped with similar systems that allow drivers to control every aspect of their vehicle's performance. Every medium-duty truck is now equipped with an aerodynamic cab design that helps reduce drag and increase fuel efficiency. The aerodynamic shape of the cabs also reduces noise levels, which creates a more comfortable atmosphere for passengers and drivers alike. Additionally, many newer medium-duty trucks have features such as center-mounted engines, which help reduce weight and improve efficiency. A box truck and a tow truck are just a few medium-duty trucks with aerodynamic cabs. Light-duty trucks are now available with features such as air suspension systems and advanced driver assistance systems. Air suspension helps keep the level of the truck when carrying heavy loads, reducing tire wear and improving stability on the road. Meanwhile, ADAS technologies include features such as lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and blind spot monitoring, all of which help drivers stay safe on the road. In the trucking industry, the transformative power of technology has revolutionized operations, enabling fleets to reach their maximum potential. Among the indispensable tools, GPS tracking stands out as a must-have. By providing drivers with real-time traffic updates and route optimization, GPS tracking empowers them to optimize their time on the road and operate efficiently. Simultaneously, companies can closely monitor their drivers and vehicles, ensuring safety and enhancing overall efficiency. If you're seeking a trusted GPS tracking solution, we recommend exploring this option. With its advanced features, it will undoubtedly streamline your operations and take your fleet management to new heights. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Embark on an extraordinary journey of efficiency and convenience with Motive. This cutting-edge platform empowers drivers with its intuitive interface, enabling them to effortlessly track their hours and generate inspection reports on the go. But that's not all. Motive goes beyond the basics, offering companies the invaluable ability to monitor their drivers' progress and performance in real time. If you're ready to experience the epitome of fleet management, check out Motive today. To explore supply chain jobs, check out our previous video.